नमस्कार। उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय 50तम समावर्तन उत्सवर सीधा प्रसारण को दूरदर्शन तरफ आपण मानक स्वागत करुछु। आज यही उत्सव रे जोग देउछंती भारतर माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री एम वेंकैया नायडू महोदय। उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय होची ओडिशार सर्वपुरातन विश्वविद्यालय एवं भारतर यह होची सप्तदश पुरातन विश्वविद्यालय। उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय जो परिसर रे उपस्थित ताहाकू कहा जाय बाणी विहार एवं 400 एकर परिमित यही विश्वविद्यालय परिसर रे अछि विभिन्न विभागर स्नातकोत्तर विभाग एवं ता उपरे एमफिल तथा पीएचडी पाठ्यक्रम यह सहित मध्य दूर पाठ्यक्रम एवं एक आईन महाविद्यालय मध्य यही परिसर मध्य अवस्थित ही रही। प्राय 4303 छात्र छात्री विभिन्न विभाग रे अध्ययन करछंती एवं यही विश्वविद्यालय जो जो जिला गुड़िकर यार संबंधित कॉलेज सब रही से अनुगुल, कटक, ढेंकानाल, जाजपुर, जगतसिंहपुर, केन्द्रापड़ा, खोर्धा, नयागढ़ एवं पुरी। 1943 रे उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय स्थापित होता। आपण मैंने समस्त जानती जे 1 एप्रिल 1936 रे उत्कल प्रदेश गठन है। सेतेबेलकू उत्कलर बा ओडिशार कॉलेज माने ए माने पाटना विश्वविद्यालय एवं आंध्र विश्वविद्यालय सहित संयुक्त होइकि थिले एवं तापरे आरंभ है 1943 उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय प्रथमे कटक रेभेन्सा महाविद्यालय कार्य करता तापर बाणीविहार को उठी आसला। ए संपर्क में आम तथ्य सूचना देवु। तेज बर्तमान आम सीधा सड़क आपण मानकु नहीं जाउछु प्रेक्षागृह को जोठारे माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति एवं अन्य मान्यगण्य अतिथि माने बर्तमान प्रवेश करुछंती एवं एई 50तम समावर्तन उत्सव आरंभ होबाकू जाउछि।
We welcome all of you to this August function of 50th convocation of Utkal University. Now I request Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
I request the Vice Chancellor to welcome the guests and present the report of the university.
His Excellency, Honorable Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Odisha, the Chancellor of Utkal University, Professor Ganeshi Lal ji, Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment, Fisheries and Animal Resources of Odisha, Dr. Arun Kumar Sahu, distinguished recipients of honoris causa, Sri Shaktikanta Das, Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Sri Girish Chandra Murmu, Controller and Auditor General of India, Justice Susri Sanju Panda, High Court Judge of Odisha, Dr. Ajit Kumar Mahanti, Director, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu, Advisor to Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan, Government of Odisha. Distinguished guests, members of the syndicate, academic council, faculty members, staff, recipients of the degrees, eminent alumni, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to honor to extend the cordial welcome to all of you to this 50th convocation of Utkal University. I congratulate all our recipients of honoris causa who have distinguished themselves by their achievements and contributions to the betterment of the society. At an outset, I offer my heartiest congratulations to all the graduating students, recipients of awards, and their family members. Your Excellency, Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Utkal University is deeply honored by your esteemed presence today as the chief guest on the August occasion. Sir, your presence has made this event inspiring and memorable for our graduates and for every one of us at Utkal University. Honorable Governor of Odisha and Chancellor of Utkal University, Professor Ganeshi Lal ji, you have always been a pillar of strength for us. Utkal University is privileged to have you as its Chancellor. Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Odisha, Dr. Arun Kumar Sahu, your alma mater is honored to extend a warm welcome to its illustrious alumnus. This premier institute, Utkal University, is founded on 27th November 1943. It was established to provide high quality of education to the young people of the state. Over the courses of last 77 years, the alumni of our university have been highly valued in different fields. Ladies and gentlemen, our mission as an institution has always been to ensure the students to become a critical and analytical thinker, and our primary objective has been to produce ethical and socially responsible graduates. Our university has been renowned for its glorious academic legacy. It has been climbing the ladder of excellence. It is a NAAC A+ accredited university, has been declared as a graded autonomy category 1 university. It is the only state university to have secured 96th position in NIRF 2020 ranking of the top 100 universities of India, MHRD. It has the distinction of being selected as one among the top 10 state universities in India and funded under Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan by the Government of India. It offers multiple master's level study programs across 30 departments, including science, social science, history, language, and many more. Several departments of university are selected for receiving grants under UGC Special Assistance, DST FIST, DST PORS programs. The university seeks to promote all interdisciplinary research culture through the establishment of different centers of excellence. In last few years, out of total 11 number of center of excellences, 8 are under RUSA program and 3 are under World Bank program, and one international affairs center which is under World Bank supported OHEPP program have been also established to promote interdisciplinary research activities. As we navigate the new decade, especially with so many challenges presented by the current pandemic, our vision for the future must be based on inclusion, diversity, and innovation. We are optimistic about the future and sensitive to the challenges ahead. We are very confident that things that have made Utkal University prosper in the past will remain its key strengths in the future as well. I am greatly pleased to announce here that our alumnus, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, has contributed his 1 year of personal salary towards the development of Utkal University. And our Honorable Governor of Odisha and Chancellor of Utkal University, Professor Ganesi Lal ji, received the draft on 1st April and handed over to me yesterday. On behalf of Utkal University, I convey our sincere thanks to him for his great initiative. Thank you. Jai Hind, Bande Utkala Janani.
Now it's time to honor 5 of Odia luminaries who have made us proud for their achievements. I request the Dean Legal Studies to present Justice Kumari Sanju Panda for award of honoris causa, LLD, Doctorate in Law.
Honorable Kumari Justice Sanju Panda was enrolled as a lawyer in the Odisha High Court in 1985 and quickly established her reputation as a brilliant legal practitioner specializing in cases relating to civil, service, criminal, company and constitutional matter. She conducted cases on behalf of the state as Additional Standing Counsel from 1994 to 1995, Standing Counsel for Vigilance Special Court in High Court from 1995 to 1996, Additional Standing Counsel for Commercial Tax in 2001 to 2003, Counsel for SBI, Utkal University and some of the public sector undertaking. She was appointed as the judge of the Odisha High Court in 2007. Her legal acumen earned her the unstained admiration of her peers and members of the legal profession. She has the distinction of being the first woman judge to be elevated to the acting Chief Justice of the Odisha High Court in 2020. On the occasion of the 50th convocation, Utkal University deems it a privilege to bestow upon Justice Sanju Panda the degree of Doctor of Law honoris causa in Legal Studies in recognition of her outstanding achievement as a legal luminary. Sir, I present Justice Kumari Sanju Panda to the degree of Doctor of Law honoris causa in Legal Studies.
ସେପଟକୁ ଯାଅ ଝିଅମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସ ଆରେ ତୁମେ ଡିନ୍ ସେଠି ଦବ ଟିକେ ଭାଇ କ'ଣ ବୁଲୁଛ କ'ଣ ସେଠିକି ଯିବ ନା ଯିବନି କେମିତି ଡିନ୍ ତ ଯିବନି ଝିଅମାନେ ପଳେଇ ଆସ ଦେଇକି Now it's time to honor Sri Jukta Shaktikanta Das. I request Dean Faculty of Business Studies and Management to present Sri Shaktikanta Das for honoring him with honoris causa.
Namaskar. Sri Shaktikanta Das. Born in 1957, Sri Shaktikanta Das received his early education at the Demonstration Multipurpose School, Bhubaneswar, and graduated from the University of Delhi, where he was a student at St. Stephen's College. In his illustrious career as a brilliant administrator who spanned over 4 decades, Sri Das aimed with great distinction. Sri Das possessed unique combinations of experience in both policy formulation and implementation at the highest levels of state and central governments. As Revenue Secretary and Secretary Economic Affairs, Government of India, he played a pivotal role in conceptualizing, formulating economic policies. In acknowledgement of his rich and varied experience and sharp administrative acumen, Sri Das was appointed the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in 2018. In this role, he has been providing this august institution inspiring leadership and a sense of new directions in these challenging times. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to the nation, Utkal University deems it an honor to bestow upon him the Sri Shaktikanta Das the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa in Business Studies and Management on the occasion of its 50th convocation, Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Sir, I present Sri Shaktikanta Das for the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa in Business Studies and Management. Sri Girish Chandra Murmu, born in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, Sri Murmu received his postgraduate education at Utkal University. Subsequently, he obtained an MBA degree from the University of Birmingham, United Kingdom. Sri Murmu joined IAS in 1985. He has the distinction of serving Sri Narendra Modi, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, as Principal Secretary. In acknowledgement of his outstanding abilities as an administrator, Sri Murmu was appointed as the first Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. At present, he is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. His alma mater, Utkal University, takes immense pride in Sri Murmu's achievements as a dynamic and distinguished civil servant. On the occasion of its 50th convocation, the university deems it a privilege to confer upon Sri Girish Chandra Murmu the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa in Business Studies and Management in recognition of the splendid service he has rendered the nation. Sir, I present Sri Girish Chandra Murmu for the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa in Business Studies and Management.
Now I request Dean Faculty of Science and Technology to present Dr. Ajit Kumar Mahanti for presentation of degree of Doctor of Science.
Professor Ajit Kumar Mahanti, Director, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, has a distinguished career as a scientist spanning nearly 4 decades. He has earned numerous distinctions which include Young Scientist Award of Indian Physical Society, Indian National Science Academy Award, Homi Bhabha Science and Technology Award, and many more. In recognition of his unwavering commitment to the advancement of scientific knowledge, Utkal University confers upon Professor Ajit Kumar Mahanti the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa in Science and Technology on the occasion of its 50th convocation today. Sir, I present Dr. Ajit Kumar Mahanti in person for the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa in Science and Technology.
धर दिया स्वयं. Now I request Dean Humanities and Social Sciences to present Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu for degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa.
Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu, an inspiring institution builder. Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu has emerged as a visionary leader in the field of education in Odisha. The Sai International Educational Group he has founded embody the ideals of excellence he passionately cherishes. Trained as a chartered accountant, Dr. Sahu has also studied law, business administration, and received training at the Harvard Graduate School of Education, United States of America, National College for School Leadership, United Kingdom, and Asian International College, Singapore. A former director of Allahabad Bank and the Hindustan Shipyard Limited, he has been honored with numerous awards and accolades such as QCI Quality Championship Award 2020 and Achiever of Odisha by Times of India. His appointment as the advisor cum working president, Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan by the Government of Odisha recognizes and celebrates his vast experiences as a pragmatic visionary. On the occasion of its 50th convocation, Utkal University deems it a privilege to confer upon Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa in Humanities and Social Sciences in recognition of his ardent pursuit of excellence in the field of education and his influential role as an institution builder. Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been, after examination, found qualified for his
Now I request Honorable Chancellor to sign the degree book to be presented by the Registrar, Utkal University.
उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय जो लक्ष्य रही सत्यं परं धीमहि मो प्रज्ञा और ज्ञान श्रेष्ठ और
I
अत्युत्तम
request Honorable
वास्तवतार
Chancellor to request Honorable Vice President
27
of
स्नातकोत्तर
India,
विभाग
Sri
उत्कल
M.
विश्वविद्यालय
Venkaiah Naidu, the
कार्य
Chief Guest, to present the
26
convocation
प्रायोजित
address.
कार्यक्रम 1936 रे स्वतंत्र उत्कल प्रदेश गठित होगा परे एई विश्वविद्यालय आरंभ होइतला 1943 रे सेतबेलर प्रधानमंत्री श्री
I would
विश्वनाथ दास
request the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, who is our chief guest today, to present the convocation address.
ओडिशार मान्यवर राज्यपाल एवं विश्वविद्यालय कुलपति प्रोफेसर गणेश लाल जी, ओडिशार मान्यवर मंत्री डॉक्टर अरुण कुमार साहू, उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय उपकुलपति प्रोफेसर सविता जी, उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय रजिस्ट्रार डॉक्टर अभय कुमार नायक, सम्मान सूचक डिग्री सम्मानजनक प्राप्तकर्ता जय माने आम सहित एठारे अच्छन्ति। श्री शक्ति कुमार दास जी, गवर्नर रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, श्री गिरीश चंद्र मुर्मू, CAG of India, Kumari Justice Sanju Panda, Honorable Judge of the Orissa High Court, Dr. Ajit Kumar Mohanty, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu, प्राध्यापकराओ, कर्मचारीगण, अभिभावका, प्रिय छात्रा छात्री माने, भाई भवनी माने, नमस्कार। यही सुंदर मंदिर मालिने सहर भुवनेश्वर रे दिबा उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय 50तम समावर्तन समारोह अवसर रे उपस्थिति होई मु अत्यंत आनंदित। समस्त छात्र छात्री मानन को मोर अभिनंदन एवं शुभेच्छा। My dear youngsters, parents, faculty members, syndicate members, and also the other guests who have been invited to this function. It gives me immense pleasure to be here on the occasion of 50th convocation of Utkal University in this beautiful temple city of Bhubaneswar. I am glad to know that Utkal University is the mother university of the state of Odisha and the 17th University of Undivided India. With its 27 postgraduate departments, 8 centers of excellence, and an international cell, the university is truly educational lodestone of Odisha. I compliment Utkal University on being accredited with A+ grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NACC, in India in 2016. That itself is a reflection of its high education standards and its uncompromising adherence to excellence. My dear students, needless to say, the day of convocation marks an important day in your lives. Yet, this milestone is the beginning of your journey. To get to this point was an important achievement in itself, to which I commend you. The personal competencies that you got here, passion, perseverance, and tenacity, an open mind to learn will be important to you throughout your lives. Nurture them. These attributes will guide you throughout your lives. Many of you will be moving out of the sheltered confines of a university and entering the real world, replete with its own set of challenges, issues, and opportunities. The process of transition will not be easy, but I am sure that with the value system and the training that you have been given by the teachers and gained from this university, you will be able to face the world with confidence. New education policy focuses primarily on instilling in our students this ability to face the world with confidence. The aim of education is not only cognitive development, but also building character and creating a holistic and well-rounded individuals equipped with the key 21st century skills. My dear friends, we must not forget that India had a glorious tradition of international education. The ancient Indian universities, Takshashila, Nalanda, Vallabhi, and Vikramshila, had thousands of students from India and other parts of the world studying in vibrant multidisciplinary environment in those days. We should bring back this great Indian tradition to create well-rounded and innovative individuals who will have the distinctive ability to transform the country both socially and economically. Odisha has a rich, inspiring story. This great land of Kalinga taught the lessons of peace to Emperor Ashoka, who began to follow the policy of conquest through Dharma Vijaya. The kings of Odisha played an important role in building cross-cultural links with the Southeast Asia and the spread of Hinduism and Buddhism there. The Kalinga Empire was also known for its glorious maritime traditions. Such was their dominance over the sea that Kalidas in his famous work Raghuvamsa referred to the king of Kalinga as the lord of the seas. The daring ocean-faring merchants of Kalinga established trade links with Sri Lanka, Java, Borneo, Sumatra, Bali and Burma. Presence of large number of coins and artifacts, including Roman objects in excavation, points to a flourishing trading society in ancient Odisha. Even today, the people here celebrate a festival, Bali Yatra, in the memory of their maritime ancestors whose skills and entrepreneurship made Kalinga the prosperous empire of its time. My dear students, I want you to take inspiration from their stories and imbibe the spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation. Our universities and education institutes also have an important role in this. They should equip the students with requisite skills so that they can emerge as job creators, not as mere job seekers. I also want to remind you of Odisha's Bhaumakata dynasty that had a long succession of women rulers in 9th and 10th century. Bhaumakara queens defined patriarchal norms and ruled successfully for some 200 years. These are the shining examples that should make every Indian proud. I urge upon the younger generation to read about such stories and pledge to fight against gender discrimination. In fact, our youth should be in the forefront of fighting all social evils like casteism, communalism, corruption, and gender discrimination and social discrimination. Odisha is also special in the way that it has a sizable tribal population. The state is home to 62 different tribal communities who constitute 23% of the state's total population and 9.7% of the total tribal population of our country. Therefore, the development and welfare of these tribal communities should be our priority. Hence, I would emphasize that we should approach the tribals with respect and sensitivity. Paternalistic attitude is wrong. Truth is that we have a lot to learn from the tribal communities who live a simple life in harmony with nature. A study by Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe Research and Training Institute revealed that the tribal population of Odisha was largely untouched by the COVID-19 pandemic. The unique customary practice and the traditions of tribals have been credited for keeping the infection at bay. The study notes by the habit the tribals mostly walk in rows instead of in groups. While walking, they maintain a reasonable distance from one another. Such safe distancing and hygienic norms rooted in the tribal culture coupled with the natural food have helped them stay safe during pandemic. I suggest the universities should focus on these positive aspects of tribal communities and include them in their curriculum. I would also like institutions like the Utkal University to take up research on issues faced by our tribal brethren and actively contribute to policy formation for their development and well-being. Another topic I would like to importantly stress for the states like Odisha is disaster management. You have seen regular occurrence of cyclones, floods and droughts in the state. Therefore, it is imperative to make disaster management an integral part of our education from early days. This would prepare us better to face any such calamity in future. I hope Utkal University will take lead in this regard. My dear students, you are our next generation of academicians, researchers, managers, civil servants, lawyers and readers. You must remember that your future is intertwined with the future of this country. And this is not mere rhetoric. You should never forget that discipline, honesty, hard work are the key to success in any field, including public life. You would be sensitive to the needs of that excluded. You have great economic potential and can improve the Human Development Index in all counts. You can fight hunger, disease, ignorance, and every other evil that retard our growth. And the youth is the key for change, and is social awareness and sensitivity that can ensure the change we dream of. I wish you all the best of your lives. I urge you to embrace the challenges and get ahead of change. Find your purpose and take share in shaping the new world. Become creators of the future. You can do it, and my best wishes are with you. I would like to take the opportunity to congratulate Sri Shaktikanta Das, the Governor, son of the soil, the Reserve Bank of India, Sri Girish Chandra Murmu, Controller and Auditor General of India, Kumari Justice Sanju Panda, Orissa High Court Judge, Dr. Ajit Kumar Mohanty, Director Baba Atomic Research Center, and Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu, Advisor Government of Odisha, for being conferred honoris causa from this prestigious university. I once again congratulate the recipients of the degrees, doctoral degrees, and the gold medalists. I also extend my best wishes to the faculty members, teaching and non-teaching staff, and the family members and the guardians of the graduating students on this momentous day. I always stress on one point, that is nature, culture, together for better future. Our country, we have a demographic dividend. 65% of our youth, our population is below 35 years. So if you shape your future in a better manner, and if you excel in your profession, in your avocation, you will be able to take the country forward. It is our bounden duty to see that we bring happiness to the people through our hard work. So discipline, hard work, dedication, determination are equally important. I hope you will follow them in your future, and I wish you all, once again, all the best. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
पचासतम समावर्तन उत्सव को उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री एम वेंकैया नायडू बर्तमान उद्बोधित करछंती से प्रथम ओडिया रे अभिभाषण
Let the candidates for doctorate degrees be now present.
से बहुत भल पाती भारत एक बहुभाषी राज्य हिसाब से कहती एवं मातृभाषा आमर परिचय बोली से सबले विश्वास करती समावर्तन उत्सव ही जीवनर आरंभ बोली छात्र छात्री मानक उद्बोधन दे से कहते नूतन शिक्षानीति संपर्क में उल्लेख करछंती एवं ओडिशार अतीतर नौवाणिज्य परंपरा बालीजात्रा संपर्क में मध्य उल्लेख करछंती एवं से कहते जे नेचर एवं कल्चर को मिसेले ही बेटर फ्यूचर हो पारिबो अर्थात प्रकृति और संस्कृति ए दुईटी मिसिले ही सुंदर भविष्य निर्माण हो पारिबो। भारतर जो 100टी विश्वविद्यालय श्रेष्ठ विश्वविद्यालय ता भितर उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय 96तम श्रेष्ठ विश्वविद्यालय माननीय राष्ट्रपति मध्य ओडिशा हाईकोर्टर विचारपति जस्टिस संजू पंडा, रिजर्व बैंक गवर्नर डॉक्टर शक्तिकांत दास, भारतर महालेखाकार डॉक्टर गिरीश चंद्र मुर्मू, भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर निर्देशक डॉक्टर अजित कुमार महांती और शिक्षाविद विजय कुमार साहू को ऑनरारी डॉक्टरेट उपाधि प्रदान कर
दीप्ति रंजन बेहरा बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, कल्पिता भट्ट भट्टनी, सीमांत कुमार नायक कंप्यूटर साइंस,
छात्र छात्री मानक स्वर्ण पदक प्रदान करा जाउची।
सिप्रा साहू कंप्यूटर साइंस, समलेश्वरी प्रसाद नायक कंप्यूटर साइंस, Bharati Behra, Chemistry. Subhendu Bhushan Raut, Engineering in Computer Science. Ajay Kumar Parida, Engineering in Computer Science. Lingaraj Sahu, Geology. Syed Ashrafuzzaman, Life Science. Ashish Kumar Nayak, Microbiology. Umakant Sethi, Zoology. Now I request Dean, Faculty of Humanities and Social Science to present the candidates. Sujata Mudli, English. Ananya Rai, English. Puspita Rani Behra, History. Puspita Rani Behra, History. Bikram Kesari Shukla, Library and Information Science. Samyasri Ratha, Music. Narendra Kumar Patra, Odia. Khanaprabha Oja, Odia. Sasmita Kumari Patra, Odia. Manoranjan Nayak, Political Science. Vivekananda Singh, Political Science. Ashok Kumar Parida, Psychology. Anima Bagh, Statistics. Surya Narayan Panda, Sanskrit. Dean, Pedagogical Sciences to present the candidates of Pedagogical Science. Kananbala Nayak, Education. Prachi Das, Education. Chitaranjan Sahu, Education. The candidates of Business Studies and Management. Gauri Mahanti, Business Administration. Pratap Chandra Sahu, Commerce. Subra, Personnel Management and Industrial Relations. Debabrata Das, Business Administration. Shekhar Mishra, Business Administration.
यही विश्वविद्यालय भित्तिप्रस्तर स्थापित होता डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद द्वारा 1 जनवरी 1958 एवं पूर्वतन राष्ट्रपति सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन यहाँ उद्घाटन करते 2 जनवरी 1930। आपण मैंने बर्तमान देखुले जो मैंने विभिन्न विषय में कृतित्व अर्जन करते स्वर्ण पदक दि जाऊला एवं श्रेष्ठ सफलता से संवर्धित करा माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति द्वारा एवं यही 50तम समावर्तन उत्सव बेलू प्रोफेसर सविता आचार्य जी प्रथम महिला कुलपति उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय होती गोटे बड़ कथा एवं प्रथम कुलपति
I request the candidates who received the PhD delete degrees to stand up on their seats.
एठी जो
Candidates,
छात्रावास
please.
सब अच्छी जार
And they
नामकरण
have to take the
कराई
oath
गोपबंधु मधुसूदन
as per
गोदावर्ष
honorable
नीलकंठ
chancellors
आचार्य हरिहर
will have administered the oath to them.
प्रेक्षालय रे उत्सव
Candidates,
अनुष्ठित
please
होची
stand
तार
up.
ना होची महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र गजपति प्रेक्षालय
Admitted to the degree for which you have been severally candidates and for which you have been recommended, you will, in your daily life and conversation, conduct yourselves as become members of this university. Do you promise that to the utmost of your opportunity and ability, you will support and promote the cause of morality and sound learning? Do you promise that you will, as far as in your life, uphold and advance social order and well-being of your fellow men? अभी ओथ लेना है क्या? ओथ फॉर प्रोफेशनल डिग्री तो दिलाइए, कौन दिलाएगा? आपको बुलाइए उनसे।
Sir, I present to you that the candidates who have been after examination found qualified for the respective doctorate degrees but could not attend the convocation be admitted to their respective degrees in absentia.
In absentia? In absentia दिया ना? By virtue of the power vested in me as the Chancellor of the Utkal University, I admit the candidates who have passed the examination but have not been able to attend the convocation to their respective doctorate degrees. By virtue of the power vested in me as the Chancellor of the Utkal University, I admit the candidates who have passed the examination other than the doctorate degrees but have not been able to attend the convocation to their respective degrees. हो गया? Let the recipients of medals and prizes be presented by the Honorable Minister, Higher Education, Odisha.
Honorable Minister Higher Education Dr. Arun Kumar Sahuji, esteemed Vice Chancellor Professor Savita Acharya, all the members of Syndicate and Academic Council, distinguished awardees, ladies and gentlemen, and dear students. I feel privileged to express my utmost gratitude while thanking His Excellency the Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, to have graced this event with his august presence. It is indeed very kind of him to have accepted our invitation to be the chief guest of this 50th convocation. A great statesman with wide and varied range of experience and expertise in different capacities in Government of India, Honorable Venkaiah Naidu ji is well known for his extraordinary erudition and oratory, and also for his affable and modest personality. The entire university is grateful to him for his presence and address. I extend my heartfelt thanks to His Excellency, the Governor of Odisha and Chancellor of this university, Professor Ganesh Lal ji, who is a constant source of inspiration for this prestigious university. The academic directions we have been getting from Honorable Chancellor is always a great moral boost to the entire fraternity of this university. His august presence on this occasion has added glory to this celebration. I take this opportunity to heartily thank Honorable Minister Higher Education, Dr. Arun Kumar Sahu, for sparing his valuable time to be a part of this event. Dr. Sahu is an alumnus of this university and has served this university as the President of the Students' Union. I thank him for all his valuable contribution towards the growth of this university. I also thank our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Savita Acharya, under whose able and dynamism this convocation ceremony could be a grand success. Professor Acharya happens to be the first woman Vice Chancellor of this university. Our sincere thanks are due to the recipients of honoris causa for attending the event and making it a grand success. The university has been rather honored by honoring such illustrious personalities of the state. It is a matter of great pleasure to see the students and the scholars come out with flying colors and get awarded in such glorious moment. I congratulate and thank all the awardees for their presence. I thank the deans of faculty, syndicate members, the members of the academic council, heads of the departments, members of teaching and non-teaching staff, students and members of the media, support staff, police personnel who have contributed in their own ways for conduct and grand success of this convocation. Because of paucity of time, it might not have been possible to mention the names of one and all associated with this ceremony, but I thank one and all. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.
Now it's the time for the group photo. I request the recipients of honoris causa to come to the front and okay.
महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र गजपति समय में पंडित गोराभूषण उन्नीस छत्तीस स्वतंत्र उत्कल प्रदेश गठित होगा ओडिशा रे गोटे स्वतंत्र विश्वविद्यालय प्रतिष्ठा करने और प्रथम विश्वविद्यालय प्रतिष्ठा प्रयास आरंभ होता तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री श्री विश्वनाथ दास पंडित नीलकंठ दास अध्यक्षतार एक कमिटी गठन करते महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र गजपति समय पंडित गोदावर्ष मिश्र थे शिक्षामंत्री तो उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय आईन विधानसभा आनी 30 जून 1943 विधेयक गृहीत होता 2 अगस्त 1943 राज्यपाल अनुमोदन लाभ करथिला फलतः 27 नवेम्बर 1943 उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय कार्यारंभ आरंभ करथिला तो जगह नथिबारु प्रथम रेभेन्सा कॉलेज रे कार्यारंभ करथिला कटक ठारे एवं परे भित्तिप्रस्तर स्थापित होइतला बाणीविहार 1 जनवरी 1958 एवं 2 जनवरी 1963 तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन यहां उद्घाटन करथिले डॉक्टर प्राणकृष्ण परिजा पद्मभूषण और विशिष्ट वैज्ञानिक से प्रथम कुलपति भाव में दायित्व नहीं नाम उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय बाणीविहार जो लाइब्रेरी परिजा लाइब्रेरी नाम नामित एवं छात्रावास नाम हूँ गोपबंधु मधुसूदन गोदावर्ष नीलकंठ आचार्य हरिहर रमादेवी जो प्रेक्षालय उत्सव आपण देखुं अनुष्ठित होची तार ना हूँ महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र गजपति प्रेक्षालय। ये उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय पर संबलपुर एवं ब्रह्मपुर विश्वविद्यालय 1 जानुआरी 1967 प्रतिष्ठा होता किंतु उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय हूँ ओडिशार सर्वपुरातन एवं भारतर सप्तदश पुरातन विश्वविद्यालय। आपण मैंने देखिपे जो दिगला डॉक्टरेट ऑनररी डॉक्टरेट से बाग्देवी सरस्वती मूर्ति था उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय मुख्य फाटक निकट में बाग्देवी सरस्वती स्थान पाई। उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय लक्ष्य आप मोटो कहीपर सत्यं परं धीमहि मो प्रज्ञा और ज्ञान श्रेष्ठ और अत्युत्तम वास्तवतार भिजी जाऊ। आज माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति मुख्य अतिथि भाव में जोगदे ये समावर्तन उत्सव को संबोधित कले। माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति सब कहते जे भारत एक बहुभाषी राज्य एवं आम मातृभाषार आमर परिचय पाऊ सांस्कृतिक ऐतिह्यर भाषा एक विभव भाषार सुरक्षा और संप्रसारण पर सब प्रयास करवा समस्त प्रयास करवा उचित एवं आज से ओडिया रे मध्य अभिभाषण देते प्रथम आरंभ करते। ये समावर्तन उत्सव को उद्बोधन देला बेले से समावर्तन उत्सव हूँ छात्र छात्रींकर अन्य जीवनर एक कर्ममय जीवन आरंभ बोली कहते। नूतन शिक्षानीति संपर्क से सूचना देते। ओडिशार नौवाणिज्य बालीयात्रा संपर्क में कहते प्रकृति एवं संस्कृति को धरी रखिले आम एक सुंदर भविष्य दिग को जापर बोली कहते। 5 जन विशिष्ट व्यक्ति जस्टिस संजू पंडा ओडिशा हाईकोर्ट विचारपति रिजर्व बैंक गवर्नर डॉक्टर शक्तिकांत दास महालेखाकार भारतवर्षर डॉक्टर गिरीश चंद्र मुर्मू भाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर निर्देशक डॉक्टर अजित कुमार महांती एवं डॉक्टर विजय कुमार साहू एम ऑनरारी बा सम्मानजनक डॉक्टरेट उपाधि प्रदान कर गोटे बड़ कथा हूँ जे प्रथम महिला कुलपति प्रोफेसर सविता आचार्य बर्तमान उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय कुलपति दायित्व मंडन करचंती एवं जो समावर्तन उत्सव रे यहाँ गोटे बहुत बड़ उत्सव छात्र छात्री छात्र छात्री माने से माने जो माने विभिन्न विषय कृतित्व अर्जन करचंती से माने माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति द्वारा सम्मानित हेले संवर्धित हेले एभली सुजोग बहुत कम आसे जीवन रे जेतेबेले माननीय राष्ट्रपति किंबा माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति किंबा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा कौन छात्र छात्री जेतेबेले संवर्धित हुंती ताहा तांको जीवन रे एक स्मरणीय मुहूर्त होइके रहि जाय थाए। एवं आज आम देखुले उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय जहाँ हूँ प्राचीन जहाँ को माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति मदर ऑफ ऑल यूनिवर्सिटीज इन ओडिशा बोली कही ये हूँ सबू विश्वविद्यालय मानकर माँ बा मातृप्रतिम कारण सबुठारु पुरातन एवं आपण देखिचंती जे बहु विशिष्ट व्यक्ति यही विश्वविद्यालय छात्र रहिचंती एवं सेमाने एही ठारु पाठ पढ़ी कि बाहर को जाइचंती एवं निजको प्रतिष्ठित करचंती। आज मध्य सेही भली किछि व्यक्ति विशेषको सम्मान सूचक डॉक्टरेट उपाधि प्रदान करागला। तेणु 50तम समावर्तन उत्सव जेकोसी गोटे विश्वविद्यालय जीवन में गोटे बड़ कथा एवं जेहेतु यह आरंभ होता 1947 एवं तापर 1943 तेणु आम यो देखुचे यहाँ हूँ 78तम बा 77तम वर्ष एवं आगामी दिन में यह 100 वर्ष पूरण करने जीव। तेणु यही गुरुत्वपूर्ण मुहूर्त आज माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति उपस्थित होते उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय समावर्तन उत्सव को संबोधित कले। छात्र छात्री माने निश्चित भाव में उत्साहित होते एवं तांको सहित माननीय राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर गणेशी लाल जी एवं उच्च शिक्षा मंत्री डॉक्टर अरुण कुमार साहू एवं ता सहित कुलपति रेजिस्ट्रार एमाने समस्ते उपस्थित थिले। तेणु ये गोटे गौरवावह मुहूर्त में छात्र छात्री माने निश्चित भाव में उत्साहित होते आनंदित होते माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय को निकट में पाई। तेणु ये उत्सव बर्तमान समाहित होती आपण मैंने एपर्यंत दूरदर्शन जरिया यार सीधा प्रसारण देखुले। तेणु जेहेतु उत्सव समाहित होती आम बर्तमान पुणी थे स्टूडियो को फेरी आसुचु। तेणु यही स्वतंत्र प्रसारण ये शेष होची। नमस्कार।